Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we have Uni. Okay, you and I, you and I. No, I'm just kidding. But today we are 1.97% up, close to 2% gains. We're just having this little accumulation going on here and there, from what I can see on the daily time frame clearly. We did manage to just liquidate the low, and then we made the higher high, so we have the change of character right here easily. If you count it from the wicks, which is not the best thing, but this is just the higher time frame. In the lower time frame, you're gonna see that clearly. Okay, we have the candles and all that shit. Nah, it was not. It was not the candles. Damn. But again, we have left this unmitigated the money area right here. POI, you can call it whatever you want. And on the lower time frame, though, what's happening right here is we just broke the structure. Okay, we just broke this little trend. This is just a substructure. You feel me? Okay, so this is the change of character. What caused this movement was you're either gonna look and like you're either gonna take this for your supply area, okay, entry trigger, or a little bit higher. It's gonna be for your preference. I personally like if I see that confirmation right here, I will usually go like right now from that. But you can have okay other areas right here, for example. This is going to be the more safe one, but like not a lot of the times that this is going to get hit. This is what I actually call the break structure or the change of character in this case. And yeah, so I will look for downside movements to be honest with you guys. Okay, because we have some unmitigated areas that we left. For example, this one we can either like go from here and then continue to push up. But I'll see this as but I just see this areas like it needs to get mitigated. Okay, we have like some great imbalance right here. That's what needs to get mitigated too, which is inefficient price action. So have a great day for the rest of your day. Peace out, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.